Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about Gmail verification code not receiving issue. There are several reasons for not receiving the Gmail verification code. If there is no signal in your location, you will not receive your Gmail verification code. Sometimes, if your phone is full of messages, you will not receive the Gmail verification code. So, for that, you can clear the cache in the message app of your phone. I will show you how to do it. It's pretty easy to do. Open your settings app and next scroll down a bit and you can find the apps option in here. So tap on it. Then click on the manage apps option. Now you can find your message app among them and click on it. So finally you need to clear cache by clicking this clear cache option in here. After clicking clear cache option, give OK to this pop-up message. Now your Gmail code will definitely be received. Hope this video is helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.